Right, here we have an expression 1 add omega squared over omega, and we're given there's 1 omega and omega square are the cubic roots of unity, or 1. So what we could go ahead and do is just simplify this. So we'll use, let's see, 1 add, we'll use this as one of our roots, as omega, root 3 over 2i. All of this squared over omega, which is minus a half add root 3 over 2i. If we add 1 to what we have in brackets, we just have a half add root 3 over 2i, and we're squaring all of this, so we multiply it by itself, and our denominator is minus a half add root 3 over 2i. If we simplify the numerator, we'll have a quarter add root 3 over 4i, and another root 3 over 4i, add root 3 over 2i, all of this squared. So when we evaluate this, this will be root 3 times root 3, which is, we end up with 3 over 4 I squared, which is minus 3 over 4. And that cancels with a quarter to give us minus a half in the numerator, and when we add root 3 over 4i times root 3 over 4i, we have 2 sets of it, and so this is root 3 over 4i multiplied by 2, which gives us root 3 over 2i. And in our denominator, let's just write this in line. We have the same thing, minus a half add root 3 over 2i, giving us the answer as 1. And that's it. We've been able to evaluate an expression using the commonly used symbols for the roots of the cubic roots of unity. Thanks for watching. I'm Alistair.